Hey there, it's Kevin Dolan, and I would like your input on a new tool I'm working on. It's based on an old tool, actually. It's called the FCB grid for foot cone Belding. It's an ad agency and developed this back in the 80s. It shows you at a glance where a product can be positioned to succeed really well in the marketplace. For example, the variables here are from analytical to emotional. This is from thinking to feeling, left to right, and then a complex buying decision versus a simple buying decision, up and down. Now you can see a lot of information at a glance here, and you're probably already figuring out where this is headed. But let me walk you through it. When Apple broke in with the Macintosh back in 1984, their competitors were all over here. Buying an IBM, a Xerox, etc. It was a very analytical task, a lot of research and hard thinking, numbers, data crunching, etc. It was also pretty complex because you were probably price shopping and having to fit it in with your existing technology, etc. So if Apple wanted to break in playing by everyone else's rules, they had to compete over here. But what they did was a calculated risk, but it was brilliant. They decided to go emotional and make the whole product very simple. Emotional meaning, it was an appeal to, hey, I want this. This is a cute looking device. The ads were obviously very emotional. They had that 1984 ad with a woman, throwing the hammer through the movie screen or whatever it was. And it was also a simple product to use, relatively speaking. So by positioning their product over here, they had no competition, and obviously worked out pretty well for Apple to do this. So this is a product positioning look at the grid. Now I want to look over here. This is where you come in. Marketing media. This is my own version of it, from thinking to feeling, from analytical to emotional. But over here, we've got these variables: digital, which is all the online stuff that you would see, including this video, and then physical stuff that you can hold in your hands, whether it comes by US mail, FedEx, or you deliver it in person. But here is the opportunity for you to stand out, because everyone, their brother and their dog, is up here advertising digitally. Maybe they're going to get emotional with an appeal to, they'll show a video of their family or laughing and smiling children, etc. But a lot of the ads that you're going to see online are going to be over here in the analytical quadrant, especially if it's a B2B type of an advertisement. Your opportunity is to get down here and get emotional and physical. By emotional, I mean you can hit people with the language of other customers. You get this language from your testimonials and your online reviews. But if you can speak the language of your market using the language of your customers, your clients, you're going to be more emotional than your competitors are, who are just up here talking about we and I and our. If you're down here using the language of your customers and clients, you're going to be more emotional. And there are a lot of other ways to do this. You can send food in the mail, for example. That's another way to get emotional, as to affect their taste buds. But anything you can be down here emotional, and of course physical. Again, whether you're delivering your marketing message by mail, FedEx, in person, what have you. Your opportunity is to be down here in the physical and emotional quadrant, where people are feeling and you have no competition. So I'd love to get your input on this. Let me know, reply to this email if you're getting it by email, or respond below if you're looking at this on YouTube. But let me know how you think this might apply to your business. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments too, and I'll dive in and help you if I can. But I'd love your feedback on this new take on an old tool, and I hope you find it helpful.